Hey everyone, it's Realtor Ferris Tarazi with Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to 23rd Street West. This beautiful custom-built pool estate offers 5 bedrooms, over 3,100 square feet of living space, a soaring 20-foot ceilings upon entrance, a formal living and formal dining room, a downstairs bed and full bathroom, a spacious kitchen with granite countertops and plenty of cabinetry, a family room with a rustic fireplace, a huge master suite with its own private balcony, and a large and private backyard with a pool, waterfall, water slide, palm trees, and grass area. Located on over half an acre lot and offering a 3-car garage, RV access, and an additional 2-car garage with a living space, this home is a must-see. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for watching this tour of 23rd Street West. For more information or for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.